welcome. I'm just about to record for you Improvers Solo Jive Routine 1A. 1A because it is only around the same level of complexity as Routine 1. So if you're looking in the playlist, look for Routine 1. And it was a little recap class taught on the 27th of December 2021. So if you're in my website, in the paid video library, you're looking for the Improvers Jive class on Monday the 27th of December 2021. This was the little practice routine at the end. It's only very, very short. It was like an additional to the original Improvers Solo Jive Routine 1. So have a little look backwards in that playlist. I'm going to turn around, make a little start. We're going with the 8 count basic, starting on the right foot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. I did 4 tap steps to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm then going to do single flicks to the front, emphasizing the knee retraction. I'm just going to turn sideways so you can see that knee retraction. Flick and replace. Flick and replace. So I'm not just kicking and putting it down, flicking, and there's the little retraction. Okay, so we were practicing those. That was the technique that we were adding in as we started on our Improvers Solo Jive classes. So right at the beginning of the Improvers Solo Jive classes, I'm starting to add those techniques in, whereas in the beginners, we just get some steps done. So it's a very clear level of progression as you go through my classes. Now, those flicks then to the front. Right leg, right leg, and left leg. Then we do a step that we did in Improvers Solo Routine 1, which is the double corner flick. So flick, flick, back, ball change, flick, flick, back, ball change. Now the little boogie woogie twists, we had those in Routine 1, but we had them just on single count. So we did single, 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 single. Moving forwards if you've got space. I'm a little bit limited on space, you might be too. This time I added in a second timing on this, so I did it with a double hip settle. So 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and then we did the singles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like I said, this was just really because I hadn't taught any Improvers Solo Jive classes for a very long time. We were starting to increase our online offerings at the end of 2021. We're now in 2022. We're doing a huge volume of classes online. So again, adding the levels of complexity in, but do watch these videos in order in the playlist. So let's do that all from the beginning. I will keep counting and calling out the names of the moves. 8 count basic. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 4 tap steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flicks. 1, 2, 3, 4 double corners. Flick, flick, back, ball change. Flick, flick, back, ball change. Double twist, double twist, double twist, double twist. Single, 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 single. There we go, guys. Very, very short review for you so that you can practice that routine. That was taught on Monday the 27th of December 2021. Full class is in my playlist, in my paid video library. It is combined with slow foxtrot. So in my Improvers online classes, we're doing 1 ballroom and 1 Latin dance each week. They are paired together. So you'll see the jive and the slow foxtrot in that class. Guys, I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.